Hi, Richard Schreiber here, the Software Whisperer. And today we're going to talk about frequently asked question number 3 that often gets asked, and that is, once the software is completed, once it's been coded and tested, how long will it take to implement, and what's the best way to implement? Now, this is a great question, but it's really dependent on how you are currently doing the things that the software will replace, along with a proper dose of good change management. So if you're replacing an existing software system, then you probably want to phase in the new platform, the new software, with a smaller user group and perhaps implement with one user group at a time over a stretch of period of time. And this is commonly called a pilot group. But if it's a manual process that's being automated through software, it's a similar process, but in many cases, you'll want to operate both the old way and using the new software kind of in parallel. This way, you can compare the results and the outcome of each methodology to make sure that they're in sync. It gives you what's called proof of concept for the new software product. Richard Schreiber, the Software Whisperer, keep asking questions.